I want to do a quick video testing out the sound quality of an external mic that I just purchased on Amazon. The mic that I purchased is a Rode VideoMicro external mic. I've read a lot of good reviews on Amazon about this small little external mic. Previously I've purchased a Movo brand and tried it out on my E4K Plus camera. Unfortunately, the sound quality didn't really improve that much, so I ended up returning it. Now, that being said, that Movo external mic was about $16–18. This particular Rode external mic is $60. So obviously, hopefully, the quality is going to be better than the Movo brand. So this will be just a testing video to see what the sound quality is like on this particular external mic. Hopefully that'll help some people out there, trying to decide which mic they want to purchase. And I find this one to be pretty easy, and in terms of pricing, it's not too expensive, and it's compact, and hopefully the sound quality is up to par. Obviously I'm not a professional video person or anything like that. I just wanted a little bit of better audio quality, better than what the sound is coming out straight from the camera itself. So hopefully this video will help somebody out there if they're looking to purchase a mic like this. Thanks for watching.